I thought about doing every couple of weeks or once a week possibly a feature on some fun activities, some of the gems of the garden route for George residents, and maybe ideas or things that they haven't thought about for a while. They have done them or they haven't done them. But the first one that I'd love to recommend for a family, for a great outing. You can see behind me, I'm on the banks of the beautiful Tow River, about 20 minutes to up to half an hour from George. Quick drive, two beautiful bird hides, the Rondaflay bird hide and also the Malachi bird hide. It's amazing. You go and sit there, on an average day they're very quiet. You're in the hut, you're in a shelter, and there's this beautiful interaction with the coots, with the African darters, with the cormorants, and it's really a worthwhile trip with or without a camera. It's something really worthwhile to go and do. Pack yourself a cup of tea or some coffee and a flask and go and enjoy it as the rain comes down. It's beautiful outdoors here in the garden route. So go and have a look at either the Rondaflay or the Malachi bird hides, and here's a little bit of video footage that I shot just to give you an idea. Cheers for now.